No stock photos, no expensive assets. I used AI to generate the image, then Photoshop to build the poster. This is the workflow. This is how designers use AI, not to replace the work, but to speed it up. Step 1, the image. I'm not using stock photos. I'm generating it with Leonardo AI, free. Here's the prompt I'm using. Black and white portrait of a visionary tech leader. Minimalist style, dark background, cinematic dramatic lighting, high detail. Watch what happens. This took 30 seconds. No photographer, no license fee, no copyright issue. Photoshop, new document. 1080 by 1920, Instagram story format. Background, pure black. Not dark gray, pure black. Place the AI image on the right side. Leave the left side for text. Now, add a gradient mask. Fade the image into the black. This is what makes it look professional. Type Montserrat, free on Google Fonts. 3 weights, 3 sizes, 1 clear hierarchy. Light for the setup line. Extra bold for the message. The eye knows exactly where to go. 1 accent element. That's all you need. A thin purple line under the keyword. One color. Maximum impact. AI generated the image. Photoshop built the poster. Total time, under 10 minutes. Cost, 0. This is AI plus design, not AI instead of design. What quote should I design next? Comment below, I'm picking the best one. Subscribe. New design tutorial every week.